Alright, we're gonna start day 2. Here are the things we're gonna do today for Tuesday. First, you'll get a link for the vocab words that you have. You don't have to do much more than just look them over once or twice, get a feel for what they are, and then you can go back to the lesson. After that, you're gonna watch a video that I made about so after you've gone through all the flashcards of the vocabulary, you're gonna mark yes right here, and then you'll go on to this video. So you're gonna watch a short little video. It'll play, and as you're watching the video, pick the vocab words from the video that use the verb faire and put them here, and then pick from the video the words that use the verb jouer and put them here. Okay, and as I told you, we're going to do a Quizlet live tomorrow at 10 a.m. if you're at 10 a.m. since you're in French 1, and it will be these 81 terms here that we're going to do. I'm going to log on at 10 o'clock. I'll put the link in your Google Classroom at 9:50. Anybody who logs on at 10 o'clock can join and play the game with us. If you happen to join a little bit late and it says to wait till the next game is started, you can just text me right here, 620-842-8613, that you need to get in the next game, and I will restart it. We will do 4 Quizlet live games, and then you got this next thing in your assignment. So if you did not join the Quizlet live, then you'll need to go back to the link for the vocab and come here to the match. When you take a picture of the match, you need to do it 3 times, and then take a picture of your time for all a screenshot of your time for all 3 of them. If you don't get a screenshot, then you'll have to do it again. So you can do the Quizlet live with everybody else, or you can just do the match by yourself 3 times and then record your time. After that, there's something to read right here. It's the paragraph you'll have for today. You'll need to watch the video. In the video, I'm going to write out the paragraph, watch me do that, and then I'm going to read it to you. You need to repeat after me. After you repeat after me, then translate it with me. And to make sure that you were actually watching the video, you need to retype the paragraph right here, and then write down 3 things that you can teach me that you noticed about French grammar. And then the last thing, you need to draw a picture, because the picture we will need for our live session on Zoom tomorrow, on Wednesday. So draw a picture, submit it to me, and I will be able to get those ready for our Zoom session on on Wednesday. And that is what you have for tomorrow. And just a reminder, Wednesday we will be doing a Zoom session. French 1 is at 10, and then French 2 through 4 is at 1. If you are not able on Wednesday to attend that, then you will have an assignment to do. If you attend the Zoom, that's all you have to do for the day, is be there on the Zoom. If you do not attend the Zoom, then there will be an assignment in Google Forms for you to fill out. Okay, I hope that makes everything clear for you.